Intense battles have extended across Sudan, with the military and the rival paramilitary forces clashing in several areas on Friday. Airstrikes and anti-aircraft missile fire hit overnight in Omdurman and Khartoum, two of the three cities that make up Sudan's wider capital. And the conflict has spread in recent days to the west of Khartoum, to the fragile Darfur and Kordofan regions. The West Darfur city of Al Junaina has been hit by repeated militia attacks. Over 2,000 people have been killed in the fighting since it broke out on April 15th. The United Nations says a record 25 million people, that's more than half of Sudan's population, are in need of aid and protection.